common verb in Persian or Farsi language. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have another part of common verbs in Persian or Farsi language. If you didn't watch the last parts, you can click here or you can find the links in the description. In each video, I introduce you 5 common Persian verbs with examples. I try to pick the examples from everyday speaking. I also recommend you that make a sentence with these verbs and share them in comments. Okay, let's start it. The first verb is درست کردن. درست کردن. Sometimes when we speak fast, we may say درست کردن. درست کردن. Maybe we omit the T sound and say درست کردن. The present stem is کن and the past stem is کرد because درست کردن is a compound verb. It consists of 2 words, درست and a simple verb کردن. And when we conjugate a compound verb, we only conjugate the simple verb. Let's see examples. شام چی درست کردی؟ شام چی درست کردی؟ شام چی درست کردی؟ As I said before, you can omit the T sound in درست and you can say شام چی درست کردی؟ شام چی درست کردی؟ Also, instead of شام, you can use another words like غذا means food. غذا چی درست کردی؟ Or نهار means lunch. نهار چی درست کردی؟ So it's a useful sentence and here درست کردن means to make, to cook. Now another example of the verb درست کردن that means to fix. رادیو خراب شده. باید درستش کنیم. رادیو خراب شده. باید درستش کنیم. Here she refers to رادیو. رادیو خراب شده. باید درستش کنیم. But guys, if you enjoy learning Persian with Asal, you can subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal channel and also you can like the videos. By the way, I have launched my Patreon account, so if you want to support me more, you can visit my Patreon. You can find the link in the description. And also, I have extra examples for this video, common verbs in my Patreon account. Okay, let's continue. The second verb is پرواز کردن. پرواز کردن. پرواز کردن. The present stem is کن and the past stem is کرد. Again, just like درست کردن. You know, we just conjugate the verb کردن. مرغ نمیتونه پرواز کنه. مرغ نمیتونه پرواز کنه. مرغ نمیتونه پرواز کنه. It's not very useful, but it's better to know that. من همیشه رؤیای پرواز کردن داشتم. من همیشه رؤیای پرواز کردن داشتم. من همیشه رؤیای پرواز کردن داشتم. Third verb is تا کردن. تا کردن. تا کردن. Present stem کن. Past stem کرد. Example. لباس هات رو خوب تا کن تا چروک نشه. You know that in speaking we omit he sound and we say لباسات instead of لباس هات. لباسات. And also in speaking, in spoken Persian, we omit the re sound in ro, which is a ra, but in spoken Persian, we say ro. And when it comes after a consonant, such as te here, we omit the re sound and we pronounce lebasato. So it will be lebasato, lebasato, خوب. تا کن تا چروک نشه. لباساتو خوب تا کن تا چروک نشه. Fourth verb, فراموش کردن. فراموش کردن. فراموش کردن. Present stem کن. And yes, that's right. The past stem is کرد. Examples. هیچ وقت این کارت رو نمیتونم فراموش کنم. هیچ وقت این کارت رو نمیتونم فراموش کنم. هیچ وقت این کارت رو نمیتونم فراموش کنم. Note that again here, رو comes after a consonant, which is a T sound here. So, in spoken Persian, we pronounce it کارتو. کارتو. هیچ وقت این کارتو نمیتونم فراموش کنم. Use it when you're angry, when you don't want to forgive someone. Another example. ولش کن. ولش کن. ولش کن means leave it, forget about it, don't think about it, اینقدر خودت رو اذیت نکن. فراموشش کن. ولش کن. اینقدر خودت رو اذیت نکن. فراموشش کن. ولش کن. اینقدر خودت رو اذیت نکن. فراموشش کن. Here, she refers to that person that you want to say to your friend that forget about her or him. And again here, re comes after a consonant like te in خودت. So in spoken Persian, we omit the re sound and we say خودتو. خودتو. اینقدر خودتو اذیت نکن. And the last verb, بخشیدن. 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 Present stem, بخش. Past stem, بخشید. And examples. ببخشید. ناخواسته شما رو ناراحت کردم. ببخشید. Here means I'm sorry, excuse me. ببخشید. ناخواسته شما رو ناراحت کردم. ببخشید. ناخواسته شما رو ناراحت کردم. You see that re comes after a vowel like in شما. So we don't omit re sound and we say شما رو. شما رو. Okay? ببخشید. ناخواسته شما رو ناراحت کردم. Another example. میتونی علی رو ببخشی؟ میتونی علی رو ببخشی؟ میتونی علی رو ببخشی؟ And you can use another names here. میتونی منو منو ببخشی؟ Or میتونی مریمو ببخشی؟ Well guys, that was another part of Persian or Farsi common verbs with examples. I hope you enjoy it and learn a lot. As I said, I recommend you that make some sentences with these 5 verbs and share them in comments. I will check all of your answers and comments. Anyway, you know that if you want to support me, you can subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal channel, and also you can join on my Patreon. Well, بوس به کله هاتون. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.